Toyota's modern vehicles feature large touchscreen displays that automatically adapt to lighting conditions for optimal visibility and safety. Day mode is designed for bright daylight conditions. It uses high brightness levels, light backgrounds, and enhanced contrast to ensure clear visibility even in direct sunlight. Night mode automatically activates in low light conditions. It reduces brightness significantly and uses dark themes to prevent glare and preserve your night vision while driving. The automatic switching system uses ambient light sensors and headlight status to determine when to change modes. The transition happens smoothly over 2 to 3 seconds to avoid jarring changes. The latest Toyota Smart Connect 4.0 Plus system, found in 2024 and 2025 models like the Camry, RAV4, Highlander, and Lexus vehicles, features enhanced automatic switching with improved sensors and customizable brightness thresholds. This intelligent display system ensures optimal visibility in all lighting conditions, reducing eye strain and improving driving safety throughout your journey. The recommended way to control Toyota's display is to use auto mode. This allows the system to automatically switch between day and night modes based on lighting conditions. You can manually override the automatic setting in two ways. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to access quick settings, or go to the Display Settings menu for more detailed control. For 2024 and newer Toyota models, you can use voice commands to control the display. Simply say, "Hey Toyota, switch to night mode," or "Set display to day mode" for hands-free control. If you experience issues with the automatic switching, try cleaning the photo sensor located near your rearview mirror. Also, check for software updates through the Toyota app to ensure optimal performance. Modern Toyota displays are more efficient than ever. New displays consume 30% less power than 2022 models, and night mode reduces display power consumption by an additional 45%, helping preserve battery life in hybrid and electric vehicles.